Yo, yo, hello everybody, welcome back. Switch here is going to be a first English Spanish lesson, so I just started to learn Spanish like 13 days ago, something like that, and I slack for like 4 days. So yeah, I just learned like 11 days, 10 days, 11 days, and I don't really want to use my gems to make it like I've done it strike. Fuck it, I haven't done the strike, so we're just gonna start all over again. I hopefully I just gonna right now be more focused and be able to do this on daily basis because I really wanna learn Spanish. And the reason I'm recording this is just simply because when I'm recording that, then I have to do it. There is no other way around. So yeah, simply as that. And then obviously I put it that today to my Google tasks. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I will have much more time management because the last 2 weeks, like when I started, like I was like super into it, like fuck me. But right now I just postponed because I'm just super focused on that AI stuff. But anyway, the reason I'm recording this is also because I genuinely believe like there are people who are just simply don't have access to like premium accounts, and they can basically use this to learn English. Like, I don't know, you live in Colombia and want to learn English and you don't really have resources, so that's gonna be a good resource to sort of pick up some English accent of mine. Well, it's not really English, right? But anyway, okie dokie. So I'm just gonna start. I'm just going to try to do one unit as a whole for one episode, because there is no point to do like, you know, 1, 2, 3 or 4 small lessons. It's just better to obviously what's the English word I'm looking for? Or is going to be better to learn, to consume the content. You don't really wanna spend just 5 minutes to learn language, because to be honest with you, for last 2 weeks I spent like 2 hours every day, and I just stopped for 4 days, and I just don't fucking remember anything right now. I think I'm just not going to be able to remember anything. But anyway, I'm just gonna start with it, and we'll see how it goes, and we'll see how long it's gonna to be. So that's going to be the first lesson. And just let's go. Form a basic sentences you complete. Okay, loading. Select the correct meaning. Apple, manzanas.
Manzana.
Manzana. It's awkward right now because I have the earbuds, but they're wired. So I don't know how to make what position need to make to stand. But anyway, okay, check.
La leche.
La leche. Milk.
El pan.
El pan.
El pan.
El pan.
Juan come pan.
Juan come pan.
Yo como manzanas.
I'm supposed to read that in English because somebody knows Spanish. That was too fast. Juan come pan. Juan eats bread.
Yo como manzanas.
Yo como manzanas. Yo como manzanas. Yo.
Como
Manzanas.
manzanas.
I'm eating apples, I think. I don't know. I eat apples. Yeah. I need to actually sit on this one, I think. Because I can't see on the bottom of the monitor, so that'd be like super awkward. But anyway. Yo como manzanas. Cool, 5 in a row. Man. Hombre.
Tú eres José.
Eres cosa.
Tú. Eres
Jose.
José.
Jestem Jose. Oh, that was in Polish. That's not the language we wanna. You are Jose. Oh, I bet. You are Jose.
Tú eres José.
Tú eres Jose. You are Jose. Boy. Niño.
La mujer bebe agua.
La mujer bebe agua. The woman drinks water. La mujer bebe agua. Nice job.
¿Tú bebes agua?
Tú bebes agua. Tú bebes... tú bebes agua. Ah, oh, okay. I was thinking this is like Spanish, but it's English, right? Tú bebes agua. Do you drink water? I think so. I'm not sure, but yeah, okay. Yeah, INSIDERAA. Ay. Bread, pan, apple, manzana.
manzana,
Girl, niña,
Niña.
ayo,
Yo.
water, agua. Yo.
Él es un hombre.
Él es un hombre. He's a man. Fuck yeah. Milk. Leche.
Leche.
Girl. Niña.
Niña.
I am soy.
Soy.
Bread, pan,
Pan,
agua.
agua.
Ella es una niña.
Ella. Ella. She is a girl. Yo soy una mujer. Mujer. Yo soy una mujer. Girl.
niño,
Dale. What's the mistake?
Niña.
Apple, manzana,
Manzana,
mujer, he,
el niño.
El niño, he, el niño. Which one of these is the boy? El niño.
El niño.
Okay. So, it's like the first lesson. Stay on track. I love the notification. Okay. Obviously, as you can see, I've done all of those, so I'm sort of supposed to be familiar with it.
hombre,
You never know, man.
El.
L. No, L.
El.
He.
Manzana.
Manzana, apple,
Yo.
Joe. I. The boy, El. Niño.
soy,
Soy. Soy, I am.
Leche.
Leche is a milk.
Manzana.
Manzana is an apple.
él,
L is he.
Yo
Okay.
soy un hombre.
Soy. Nombre.
Tú eres Juan.
Tú eres Juan. You are Juan. I think so. Yes, you are Juan.
El hombre bebe agua.
El hombre bebe agua. Where's G? I don't get it now. It's like it's supposed to be G, right? Agua. I don't know. I'm just gonna do a check.
El agua.
El agua. Water.
Él es un hombre.
Él es un hombre. He's a man. Él es
Tú
un hombre.
comes pan. Comes.
Comes pan. Do eat bread.
Ella es una mujer.
Ella, she is a woman. Ella is una mujer.
Ella es una mujer.
Ella es una mujer.
¿Tú comes manzanas? Come. Comes.
Do you eat apples? La leche. I don't get it. Like, make it harder? I don't need the harder. It's already hard enough. I don't see the letters. Like, what I supposed to do here? Like, where is C? Where is H? Make it harder. Or maybe I can type. Alright, okay, there we go.
Yo como. Tú comes. Él come.
Ah,
Comes. Comes. Yo como. Tú comes. Él come. Comes.
This one? Yeah. El niño, la niña. Boy and the girl. I ate apples. Yo.
Como. Manzanas.
Yo como manzanas. I eat apples. Yo soy como manzanas.
¿Tú bebes agua?
Bum, 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 bum. Do you drink water? Okay.
Yo bebo, tú bebes, él bebe.
I drink. I drink. I drink. You drink. He drinks. I drink. He drinks. You drink. I drink. You drink. He drinks. I drink. You drink. Who is you? L is he. Okay.
El hombre bebe agua.
Hombre bebe agua. Okay. Agua.
Yo bebo, tú bebes, él bebe.
It's you without anything anyway, so. Yo bebo. He drinks. You drink. He drinks. Okay. And the second one. Second one is gone. Oh, that's strange. I don't know why the fuck that put the strike. Like I cancelled that. Oh, anyway, I will try to do that right now, like properly, because as you can see, the 3 dice wasn't really like touching the Duolingo at all. I'm gonna be honest with you. Well, just simply because, as you can see, this is frozen. But the thing is, I was actually doing just for fun. I don't know why the English. I stopped like 2 months ago, and I had like strike almost a year. Just for fun, I was doing this like 10 minutes per day. But right now, obviously, I just wish to do much more than 5 minutes per day. I think that was the second lesson, right? So that's gonna be a third one right now.
Yo bebo agua.
Yo bebo agua. Okay. One come pan. One eats bread. Okay.
Yo como, tú comes, él.
Yo como, tú comes, él come. I eat, you eat, he eats. I eat bread. Yo como pan.
Yo bebo leche.
Yo bebo leche. I drink milk. La leche, mleko.
Tú comes pan.
Milk. Tú comes pan. Ja jestem Jan. Do you eat bread?
La leche.
Tú comes pan, la leche. La leche is just a milk.
El hombre bebe agua.
El hombre, ziomek pije wodę. Agua. The man is drinking water. Do you drink water?
Tú.
You.
Bebes agua.
Yo como pan. I
¿Tú
bread.
comes manzanas?
Comes manzanas. Do you eat apples? Tú comes manzanas. Tú comes manzanas? Do you eat apples? Okay. Yo bebo, tú bebes, al bebe. I drink, he drinks, he
La
drinks.
mujer bebe agua.
La mujer bebe agua. The lady, the woman is drinking the water. The woman drinks water. Yo bebo, tú bebes leche. Okay. Amazing. Okay. And the last one. Oh, okay, the great job. That's 3 lessons then. Great job, you made this unit legendary. Okay. Okay, so that's it for now then. It was 15 minutes lessons. Like, when I'm going to reach the supposed to tell me what level is it, or maybe just on the phone, because on the phone actually it's telling you, the Duolingo, when you're going to reach some level, that will tell you, or maybe here is a section 2, learn word phrases. Like you have a section and then you have another section, and every section is obviously harder. So I think the first 2 is like the lowest level of Spanish, which I'm fine with that, obviously. And then it's going to be higher and higher and higher and higher. What I'm trying to say, I don't know exactly what level is it right now, but this is like, I guess, below the A or whatever the level it is. So I'm just going to do the playlist. I'm going to do the playlist, and then when I improve my Spanish, I will add more stuff. So maybe it will be lessons 1 hour, because in my mind, the idea of putting this is not just a Duolingo. I already bought the books. I already have the audibles, different sources of stuff, of things. So for people who wanna learn English, basically, because I'm talking here in English a lot, so, and I will be continue speaking in English. So for the people who know the Spanish and they wanna learn English, you can see the perspective of the person who actually know English very well and then wanna learn Spanish. If that makes sense what I said, hopefully. Yeah, I just wanna basically know my approach to learning, because I'm going to use the AI tools here as well. It's not going to be just Duolingo. Duolingo have the implemented AI as well, but I have ChatGPT already premium account, so I can carry on with that. So will be conversations, will be lots of stuff. I just need to find the time for it. So right now, just focus on Duolingo, which is like super fast lessons, will be 15-20 minutes. And then I'm just gonna carry on the progress to make it like one segment on one block of Duolingo, like 20 minutes. Then we're just gonna do like 20 minutes making a conversation with the ChatGPT. So gonna be like 40 minutes and then 20 minutes. I will be just basically showing you my approach of learning, and basically my approach, like long story short, my approach to learning is basically you're just thinking about sentences you wanna learn. You're just writing it down in your native language, those sentences. Then you're just going to the Google translator and you translate those sentences, and then you have already pre-made sentences for situation, and then you just basically write down the phonetic language of that. So you don't need to memorize how to write down. You won't be able to write down, you won't be able to read, but you can really super fast learn how to talk within a couple of months of like basic conversation, whatever. So in my mind, for example, like if I'm going for holiday at some point to whatever, Spain, Colombia, you name it, in my mind it's like I'm just gonna basically create the book with already pre-made sentences, like a dialogue. Obviously you can prep that dialogue talking with the ChatGPT, and for me, like super important will be to communicate in like certain level, and I don't need to know how to communicate about every topic, but basically when you're going for holiday, you probably want to communicate on the parties, right? So that's basically, that's gonna be my main goal, to be able to just talk with women's basically, or girls or whatever, so I can have my like obviously sounds like cool, but the thing is like obviously you can talk about any subject, right? So it's not really that easy, but it's much better to have some like goal and idea what do you really want to learn, because at the end of the day, if you're going to learn Duolingo, is okay for the starter, but then to broaden your language to the level to talk about some subjects, like I'm just basically, what I'm trying to say, I just rather to learn my interests and like basic conversations, like what I like the most, like I like the movies the most, I like whatever, creating AI right now the most. So basically I need to create sort of a book about myself, and I need to learn that in Spanish. I don't need to know anything else, I just need to know how to talk about myself and how, and to understand basic topics. And obviously if you're going for holiday and you're starting conversation with someone, you can already say straight away like your level of Spanish is not, or English is not like super good, but you will try to cope somehow to understand and talk. Anyway, thank you very much guys for watching. If somebody was watching, probably not, because it's like random stuff. Content is going to be bilingual. So basically everything was on AI is going to be in English here as well. And then hopefully at some point in Spanish. So yeah, stay tuned for more Duolingo lessons. Actually, I'm, like I said, I'm recording that because I just feel an urge to learn this, and because if I'm not going to record, then I'm not gonna learn. So there we go. See you soon.